Okay, this is a quick video on how to convert equations into slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form being y equals mx plus b. So here's a couple of examples. Let's start with number 1. We have an equation in standard form, 8x minus 4y equals 20. We want to get y all by itself. So we're going to move everything else to the other side of the equation. Start with getting rid of this x term. So you have 8 times x. I need to subtract that number away. And I'm going to do the same thing on both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. My new equation becomes negative 4y equals, I'm going to choose to write my x term first and then my constant. So this becomes negative 8x. That 20 was a positive 20, so I'm going to put plus 20 here at the end. So step 1, move your x term to the other side of the equation. Then I need the y by itself. I have y here, and right now y is being multiplied by negative 4. So I'm going to undo that using the inverse operation of division. Divide by negative 4 to make that a 1y. And then I'm going to divide every term by negative 4 to keep this equation balanced. And my new equation becomes y equals negative 8 divided by negative 4 becomes 2x. And 20 divided by negative 4 becomes a minus 5. And now I have my equation in slope-intercept form. Let's do one more together. Same process. You can pause this one and try it yourself first and then check your answer if you'd like to. But again, I'm going to try and solve for y. I'm going to move my x term to the other side. So I'm going to subtract off 2x from both sides of the equation, giving me 3y equals negative 2x plus 12. And then I want y alone. Right now it's multiplied by 3. I'm going to do the inverse, which is divide by 3 to get 1y. Divide everybody by 3. And my new equation is y equals, keep this fraction. Don't turn it into a decimal. Just leave it at negative 2/3 x plus 4. That is a helpful fraction because that's your slope. Rise over run. All right, if you're good with that, you can stop there. If you'd like to do just a couple more, I would say let's try number 3 and number 5. Pause now and try them on your own. We won't worry about this one. I'm not going to do the decimal one. So try 3 and 5. Pause it, try them, and then check it. Number 3 is a pretty simple one because y has a coefficient of 1. So all I need to do is move the x term to the other side. And I simply have y equals negative 2x minus 11. Done there. And number 5 already has the x term on the opposite side. So all I need to do is divide by the 3. Divide every term by 3. And so my equation is y equals 4/3 x minus 9. And that is converting an equation into slope-intercept form. Essentially getting the y alone in all of these equations.